Introducing the Gripper Building Kit for Q and Dash robots. With this kit, you can build a new accessory for your robots, a gripper you can program to pick up and transport objects. Let's find out how the gripper functions. The gripper gives Q the ability to grip objects.
Spin it to win it!
So, what makes the gripper grip? Gears. A gear is a wheel with teeth. When two gears mesh together, their movement becomes related to one another. This change in direction allows the gripper to have two arms that open and close. The arms not only open and close, but lift.
Aha!
Q uses sensors to detect objects and the gripper to pick them up.
Brilliant!
Q can even deliver them to where you want.
Mission accomplished.
So, what makes the gripper lift? The secret is a ball and socket joint. This type of joint enables a full range of motion. By rotating Q's head, the ball and socket joint allows not only movement side to side, but also up and down. Now what will you do with your gripper?